On September 22nd, 2023, Maine West students from the AP Environmental Science class stepped out of the classroom and into Linney Woods to study the water quality of rivers in our community.
We came here to run a series of tests on the river to kind of see how different factors affect the waterways.
The main goal of the field trip is really to get out and get some hands-on experience about how rivers work, and then also the data that we collect helps the Friends of the Chicago River to do their research and know what's going on in the river.
So the purpose of this field trip was to just get out of the classroom, to get out into the field and get a hands-on experience. There's so much more that is in rivers people don't realize, like the macroinvertebrates, and there's like this hidden world that's there. And so I wanted students to be able to see and experience that firsthand.
Students are not only learning how to use the tools to test what's in our water, but also the importance of these skills.
I think it's really important to know how to test water quality because then you can know what's in the water and you can know how it's changing and then how we as humans are affecting the water and then make changes to keep the environment safe.
So our water can have impacts on our health, and it can have impacts on the environment. We saw all those little macroinvertebrates and these little creatures in the water. You wouldn't want to drink the water with that, but those are actually very healthy in the water. I think so much of that goes back to an awareness of where our water goes. People will dump pills down the sink and things like that. That is not a good idea. So that awareness of like what you're doing does have impacts on ecosystem. That is just one of the basic ways to start, and then you can get into conservation of water and using less water so there's more there for natural creatures too.
Knowing about the water quality in our rivers will help AP Environmental Science students promote healthy water and ecosystems now and in the future. This is Katie Huck with WMTH News.